In the distant past, upon the vast, uncharted waters of the Pacific Ocean, a world shrouded in mystery and wonder lay hidden beneath the waves. This was a realm where the gods walked among mortals, their tales woven into the very fabric of Polynesian culture. Long ago, in the primordial darkness, the first of these gods emerged. Nāmaka, the mother of sharks, was born from the tears of the earth goddess Papatūānuku, as she wept in loneliness. Her tears fell into the ocean, bringing forth the first shark, her husband, Tangaroa, the god of the sea. Tangaroa, with his vast and powerful form, ruled the depths of the ocean. He was a god of creation, shaping the islands, filling them with life, and bestowing upon them the bountiful gifts of the sea. Yet, Nāmaka was not content with her role as the mother of sharks. She yearned for more. One day, Tangaroa, in his infinite wisdom, created Tangaroa I Tierengi, the god of the heavens, to keep her company. But Nāmaka was still not satisfied. She desired to rule the sea, to control the very tides themselves. In her ambition, Nāmaka challenged Tangaroa, and in their struggle, they brought forth a cataclysm upon the land. Volcanoes erupted, islands were shattered, and the ocean surged violently. The people, terrified, looked to their gods for salvation. Tangaroa, realizing the chaos Nāmaka had wrought, knew he had to act. He summoned the other gods, and together they confronted Nāmaka. In a final battle that shook the heavens and the earth, they bound Nāmaka to the ocean floor, her power over the tides and the sharks contained. The people, grateful for the restoration of peace, celebrated Tangaroa's victory. They built temples in his honor, offering prayers and sacrifices to the god of the sea. And so, the myth of Nāmaka's rebellion became a tale of caution, a reminder of the power of ambition and the importance of balance in the natural world. Thus, the Polynesian pantheon was formed, their stories etched into the hearts and minds of the people. The gods continued to watch over them, guiding them through the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, their myths serving as a beacon of hope and wisdom in the uncharted waters of the past.